Hello, I'm Paul Monster. I'm the head coach of Persebaya Surabaya. I think with my personality, how I am as a person and as a coach, I lift the spirits up, and we have this mentality, bringing my mentality into the team and the players, that the mentality is to win, the winning mentality and the spirit.
Teknis atau non teknis yang harus diperbaiki, yang kita sama-sama saling mengerti apa kelebihan kekurangan mungkin teman-teman semua, jadi kita bisa saling melengkapi.
Ya, pertama-tama saya datang di sini, Persebaya ini ya kekeluargaannya sangat baik, sangat luar biasa di keluarga di tim ini. Maupun dari, ya mereka tidak anggap pemain dari luar atau apa, tapi semua harus sama-sama di tim ini. Ya, itu mungkin itu yang menjadi ini saya.
Oke, selanjutnya kami dari manajemen berharap Coach Monster akan memimpin tim ini. Tadi kita juga sudah berdiskusi dengan tim pelatih. Manajemen akan support apa kebutuhan tim pelatih. Saya kira pemain-pemain tinggal.
I was excited because obviously I know the history of Persebaya, the supporters, the team, the stadium, the city. I was well aware, obviously. Regardless of whoever team I signed for, obviously I do my own research also. I knew the situation in Persebaya while I was the technical director in Brunei. But I was excited coming here. It was a big challenge. I was aware of the team, I was aware of the players. So I had to adjust to the players we had and put it as a team and just try and get as much points as possible. And the aim, to be honest, the aim was to stay in the league. Get points, get the group together, and we play as a team, get the chemistry good, and everyone fight for each other. And to be fair, they did. Obviously some games we lost, but there were some important games we won, and there were some important we getting points. But I think getting the first win, I think it was after 10, 11 games where they hadn't win. So I think that was a big relief for the players, the management, the supporters, I think everyone. And then we got that confidence and belief that with this team that we had, we could win games. And we did. We got a lot of points. We moved up just a little bit, but it was enough for me. It was to stay in the league and then obviously prepare for next season. So it was a lot of work. It was probably my biggest challenge in my coaching career. And I actually told the players that in the last game we won. Just also letting them know also how I felt about the season ending, and they also expressed their disappointment and also good things of what happened since I came. But it was a positive start, but now it's about to kick on now for this season.
We will make changes because tonight we must take the points. Must!
Yeah, the team was okay, you know. We had good players, you know, but it was also about confidence. Like I said, they had to win in 10, 11 games. So the confidence was low, you could see it when I arrived. But I think with my personality, how I am as a person and as a coach, I lift the spirits up, and we have this mentality, bringing my mentality into the team and the players, that the mentality is to win, the winning mentality and the spirit and how I want to play. And they bought into it. That's the most important. The players buy into how I want to play, and they believed in it, and we worked hard. I think after the first 2 weeks, Domingo, there was no day off. We trained every day because there was a lot of work to do. The physically was a little low, so we had to build that up also. So I kind of had to start on the foundation, build the team up, and then after a few weeks, you know, you could slowly see the improvement. But end of the season, you could tell that I needed to make big changes, and unfortunately, sometimes you need to do that if you want to progress with the team and you want to aim higher. You need to make sacrifices, and I had to make the big calls with the players who we released. But the players who we released, they also did the job the best they could. But as the head coach, you need to make these choices, and then you have to progress the team. The most important is the team.
Yes, 3 points. Ani.
Ya, tentunya sangat senang, bangga juga ya, bangga bisa bermain di tim besar Persebaya. Pertama juga ada agak rasa ya gugup tapi ya jalannya waktu bisa melewati semua itu. Itu saya rasa senang dan bangga aja sih bisa gabung di putaran kedua buat Persebaya. Ya, pertama-tama saya datang di sini, Persebaya ini ya kekeluargaannya sangat baik, sangat luar biasa di keluarga di tim ini. Maupun dari, ya mereka tidak anggap pemain dari luar atau apa, tapi semua harus sama-sama di tim ini. Ya itu mungkin itu yang menjadi ini saya.
Pasti perasaannya sangat senang, bersyukur, dan bisa kembali ke rumah. Ya sangat senang lah, pasti bangga juga masih dipercaya.
Kuasain Bang, kuasain.
Jackie Chan tak kira. Happy anniversary, Philipos. Happy anniversary. Iya. Semoga juara. Amin.
Ya pada saat itu sedikit banyaknya saya tahu karena sering nonton kalau Persebaya main. Jadi harapannya pada saat itu saya bisa masuk, yang terutama untuk menjaga chemistry, untuk mungkin saya sedikit banyak juga sudah tahu yang lama di sini, jadi mau melanjutkan atau mau meneruskan kebiasaan antar pemain yang kekeluarganya bagus. Mungkin awalannya seperti itu sih.
Udah selesai main bowling, kita untuk membangun chemistry, membangun sesuatu kekeluargaan yang sangat indah. Semoga ini berdampak positif di pertandingan esok. Amin. Dukung terus, salam satunya nih, Wani.
Yes, well, I like when we have senior players, so I've also created a senior group. Normally I do that, so like this year we have a senior group. We have Hernando, Dayat, Ofan and Bruno, so there's 4 players in that group, because I'm also high on discipline on the pitch and off the pitch, so we have rules for the players, even for the staff, about being on time, no phones, on the pitch, wearing shoes, coming to training, just basic things as living as a professional and off the pitch. So I have these senior players, you can say, to support the coaching staff, and if there's any issues, the players, they have their group and they come to me. But the group we have is a really good group this season. And but Ofan and these players, they're very supportive. Even though some of them maybe not play, but they also know they're important for the team. This is the most important, the team, so we're all together.
Ya, waktu awal balik kembali, harapannya sih untuk memperbaiki, dalam artian untuk memperbaiki, untuk menaik klasemen sedikit demi sedikit, seperti itu harapannya pada saat itu. Iya, ya pastinya. Jadi bekerja sama pada saat itu sama teman-teman yang ya semuanya sih, nggak 1-2 pemain. Jadi kita kumpul, kita ngomong, seperti itu sih. Jadi apa kebiasaan yang baik yang waktu lalu-lalu kita teruskan.
Ya seperti tadi, kayak kita kompak di luar lapangan, terus di dalam lapangan ya kita ikuti apa yang pelatih mau saja. Itu saya sih yang membuat kita kompak dan solid.
Ya mungkin kalau kebiasaan yang dulu, yang kebiasaan yang baik itu kita antar pemain kita kumpul, supaya kita makan bersama, terus kita bicarakan dalam artian apa yang secara teknis atau non teknis yang harus diperbaiki, yang kita sama-sama saling mengerti apa kelebihan kekurangan mungkin teman-teman semua. Jadi kita bisa saling melengkapi dalam situasi pertandingan maupun di luar. Jadi kalau di pertandingan misalkan kita harus tahu teman ini punya kelebihan apa. Jadi kita sebagai teman bermain bersama, kita harus servis teman kita gitu. Jadi apa itu kelebihannya bisa kita maksimalkan untuk ya balik lagi untuk tim.
Dan Persebaya Surabaya.
Come on, thank you. Cuk, kenapa bajunya, Cuk?
Stop. Kami, Cuk.